In this video you will see how to crochet necklace with flowers, beads and tassels. Yarn I use cotton 50 grams 170 meters. Let's make it together. Make chain 15. This will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14 and 15. Now remove hook, grab the bead, put it through. If it's not fitted, just grab smaller hook. Now put it through and continue. Secure it with a chain and make 17 more chains. Total 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Now turn into the second from the hook, make single crochet, and now make 2 single crochet around the chain. Just put it under the chain, grab the yarn and make single crochet, and once more. Ready. Now make again 2, 3, 15 chains, the same way what we've done over here. 15 chains, the bead, 18 chains, turn and 3 single crochet, 1 into the loop and 2 around. Continue as you needed length. I made several of them, and now over here we will make flowers. Attach different color of the yarn. You can make it in any color. I will do it with a bright royal blue. Just secure it with a chain, tighten it, and make 4 chains to bring up the yarn. Now yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the same loop and make unfinished treble crochet. Again, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the same loop and make another unfinished treble crochet. That's what we have. Now finish it with 1 loop. Now make 3 chain picot, 3 chain, put the hook under 3 loops and make slip stitch. Ready. 1 chain between and make another puff stitch from treble crochet. 1 and 2. 2 unfinished treble crochet, work with 1, 3 chain, 2 picot, ready, 1 chain between, again yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the same loop and make another 2 unfinished treble crochet. Ready. 3 chain picot under these 3 loops. Ready. Now to finish the flower tulip, make 4 chains and make slip stitch into the same base loop. Ready. Now we can cut the yarn. Pull it up. Later we will hide these tails and continue. Attach the yarn over here and make exactly the same flower I hide all the tails, and now we will make a tassel. I prepare 5 pieces of yarn, approximately 30 centimeters or 12 inches. And now grab the hook, put it into the first loop, make it a little bit wider, fold your tassel by half and pull through. Okay, and now together with the tail, put it in and tight all together. Ready? Now you can cut to make them even. Ready? That's how it looks like. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.